Hello guys! Today is March 11 of 2024 at 7:50 p.m. So, quick vlog lang po tayo. Kasalukuyan po dito sa Naiya, Sukat, Parañaque City. Sukat, Pasay City pala. Naiya Road, Pasay City. Dahil unang bahay kami ng Pasay at katabi namin ay Parañaque. Yan, nakakalito. Parang dalawang address ang ginagamit namin. Okay, 360 agad guys.